Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download games on Oculus Meta VR. And to do this we'll need to open the store. Let's go for the yellow icon right here. Now navigate to any game to purchase it or get it for free, depending on the pricing. So let's click on pricing and filter through the free games. Right here we need to add the game to our account, and I will add, let's say, this one. Click get. Now it should be added to your account and instantly start the download, but if you already have the games added, you need to go for your app library. Right here you should be able to see all of the games or apps, and simply click on them to begin the installation or download. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.